All right, folks, so I have been working on baking this cake here. I actually know that it's done because I checked it a minute ago. Exactly 55 minutes. That's how long it was in, okay? Now, I know it's done because when I pull it out, okay, I got my handy toothpick. Now, normally I don't need a toothpick to test the doneness of a cake, but something like this, I'm going to go and use the trusty toothpick because all that pineapple in the bottom, that's, like I said before, keeping the batter from baking like it normally would. Okay, so now when you put the toothpick in and pull it out and it's clean, you know it's ready. Okay, so this cake is definitely baked. It's done. Notice it's a little darker than, you would normally expect for one of my yellow cakes here. Because, like I said, it's been in the oven for 55 minutes. Okay, that's considerably longer than it normally takes to bake a cake. Okay? Anyway, so now this cake needs to be loosened from the edge. So what I'm going to do is hold on to it with my pad so I don't burn myself. I'm just going to take my little spatula here, and I'm just going to go around the edge here like so. Make sure that it's not sticking to the edge of the pan. Okay, now when a cake is baked properly and done, it should recede a bit from the cake pan anyway. Okay, so that's one of the things you look for when you're looking for the doneness of a cake. But anyway, I just, with all that sugar and everything in the bottom, I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to stick somewhere, especially if I had a clump of pineapple sticking to the side. That would just create a big clump that would stick. Okay, so anyway, I know that I'm loosened. Okay, give it a little shaky shake. All right, now I'm going to switch hands here because I'm a righty. All right, what I want to do here, I'm going to take my cardboard circle, and before it gets cold, okay, I want to pull it out, turn it over, okay, and normally I would let this sit for, probably 3-5 minutes or so, let it cool off a little bit, let things settle out, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and pop the pan up, take a look at it here. Oh,
oh God.
Okay, hang on. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, John.
Now, that's how important
gorgeous.
That paper was, okay? That's because of the paper, okay?
Right.
Everything is in there and on the cake because of the paper. Okay, now...
I can smell it here, John.
I know. Hang on. Woo. All right, don't burn yourself now, but look at this. We just want to gently peel it back like this. And there you go, baby.
Oh, that
is that not so perfectly beautiful?
Absolutely.
Okay, you got a little caramelization here. You see, this is where all them chunks of pineapple came in.
Oh.
But you would think that it would be a little darker, from all that brown sugar that I put in, but no. And now you see why all that butter needed to go in there. The butter and the brown sugar make the syrupy part. And then the pineapple, that's flavored by both the cake and the brown sugar and, the cinnamon too. But yeah, this is going to be yummy and delicious. Now, we really should let this sit for a little while, but I can't wait. Should you? No, that ain't happening. Nope. So here, let me grab I got my knife here. Hang on here. Let me grab a plate or two here.
Oh, I think the girls are going to be very, very happy ladies tasting this. Oh my God, that smells amazing. And no, I didn't burn my chin this time.
Alright. Let's do this. Let's just Here, let's go like this. Oh
my
man.
Goodness.
Look at that.
Oh.
I'll give you the first piece. That way you get that cherry there.
Mm. Oh my goodness, the moisture in this. Oh.
There you go. Alright, let me get this here. Now, as it cools down, it's going to set up and be a lot easier to cut. Okay, but this first
Look
blast,
at this beautiful, beautiful piece of cake.
Wow, look at this. Oh my. Yeah, this really needs to cool off for a minute.
Look at that. Mm.
But it's still going to be so yummy. Mm-hmm.
I need force for this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We got the forks. Here you go.
We got the forks.
All right. Shall we?
Yes. And I'm going to attack this from the top.
Mm. Yep. That's happening.
I'm ashamed to admit it, John. You blew my mother's pineapple upside down cake out of the water.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Don't admit that.
I can't lie. Sorry, Mom. Love you. Rest in peace, bro.
Mm-hmm. So now, isn't this great for Thanksgiving?
Mm.
You know, you wouldn't think so, but it really is the perfect thing.
Oh. Yeah, because I mean, you got your dessert,
You got your pies
fruit.
and everything, but this is like, you know, cake and pie too. You know, I don't know. It's really good. Mm-hmm. I tried to probably even put some more sugar on there, but that's to taste. You know, that's why I didn't measure it.
Well, again, this is all about eyeballing what you want, how you like it. You know, like you say, it's a very personal thing.
Yeah, I could have put some more pineapple on, but at the same time, some pieces have more pineapple than others, and I purposely, you know, didn't go after that part of it. So, wow, this is so yummy! Oh my god! Wow, that back corner.
Oh my goodness.
That's yummy.
Oh, it's got so much. It's so moist and light and fluffy.
Yeah, absolutely. It's melting. It's not set up yet, so it's really melting in our mouths. But yeah, this is.
I won't complain.
This just kick ass.
Oh no!
You folks got to try this one. I mean, come on. You saw how easy it was. It was just, you know, it was like playing in the sandbox in the pan. And then you just make this little batter, pour it in and bake it. Come on now. Easy peasy. Wonderful, wonderful concept of a dessert here. So, anyway, so hope you folks enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. Hope you were mildly entertained, at least, if you didn't learn anything. But hopefully you did. You learned how easy it is to make this wonderful dessert. And you got to do it for Thanksgiving, okay? So anyway, God bless, and don't forget to bake with love, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe and the share and all that good stuff. It really helps us out, and we're really trying to get this launched. So,
and please leave some comments so we know what you guys want to learn.
absolutely, it's so important. So hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll definitely see you on the next one. Thank you so much.